Gold and silver traded with modest bullishness throughout the day. We have seen a struggle in gold, specifically upwards towards 27.56.58 zone, while silver, which is traded bullish, and it has seen a good resistance at 34.20.30 zone. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. This is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed reviews on multiple time frames and arrive at a level at which you can take a trade and trade profitably. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. Gold followed with silver. Watch. On the hourly chart, see gold has seen a greater resistance here upwards towards 27.60, 27.58 zone. As I have mentioned earlier in the day, it is very crucial for gold to break beyond 27.58.60 in order to turn bullish. Right now, I can see a bit of a struggle here that is also close to double top levels what we had seen in the recent past. If you look at the formation, see a very good consolidation and support is seen at 27.40. With that as rise, a greater resistance and a retracement. So now it is taking the support here from 27.46.48 zone on the downside and resistance upside upward towards 27.56.58 zone. So this zone becomes a no trade zone for us for the day. Moving averages are looking upwards, trading bullish. Stochastic has dropped a bit, while the MACD crossing over here is a sign of bearishness, and it is just one candle away. This suggests that there could be a slight bearishness before it looks forward to any rise or bounce back. RSI has dropped as well. On the 2 hour charts, see a bit of consolidation here. And after the consolidation, we have seen a reversal sign. Let's see if the current candle breaks below 27.46 levels, below which you can expect. See, 27.46.44, I should expect a good support. Below that, 27.40 is the most important one. Any drop below 27.40 is the only sign where you can say now the bears are back in action and we can look forward to a drop. As long as today gold stays above 27.40, we should not be treating this as. Now, if you look at the larger trend, see what I have been sharing this. Look at the drop here. It is trading in this retracement channel and almost hitting the highs. It is trying to reverse. Where are the lows for this channel? Towards 27.40 levels, below which you can definitely expect more bearishness to prevail, which can take it towards 27.36 or in fact 27.30 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped, while the MACD after the crossover is trading with modest bullishness, trying to look upwards. RSI running flat. On the 3 hour charts, if similar is the observation on the 3 hour charts, a greater consolidation is happening here. Where the current candle closes is going to be of prime importance. Any closing of the candle on the upward towards 27.55.56 zone, we can expect a breakout with the next candle. So this is going to be important where the current candle closes in next some time. And yes, 27.56 is going to be one good resistance, and then 58.60 is anyways a greater resistance here. Now, why these levels are prominent? See, as I shared, this is under retracement. This is finding a good resistance here, and this is a retracement channel at best. Even if it tries to rise, we have to be cautious, in fact, till towards 27.64. Only and only if it stays above 27.64, we can consider this as a reversal and a. Thus on the upwards, we have to be cautious till towards 27.64 here. If you look at the stochastic, this was overbought, trying to drop a bit, while the MACD, after staying at the bottom, it has crossed over, trying to trade with moderate bullishness here. The RSI running flat. On the 4 hour, the observation is same. Consolidation is going on, and also notice higher lows are observed. And as I said and discussed, that till 27.40 we have to remain cautious. We should not be treating gold as bearish till 27.40. Only below 27.40 we can expect that the bears are back in action here. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD after the crossover, trying to trade with moderate bullishness. RSI running flat. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which is safe, secure, trustworthy with global presence, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened here? See, higher lows are seen consistently and higher highs are also seen. This is a good bullish sign, but look at this swing here. What has happened? Hitting the highs, we have seen a massive reversal. What has happened today? We have seen it hitting the highs again, and we can also see that a greater resistance is observed at around 27.58.60 zone. So this zone is definitely going to remain critical for gold for the day. And yes, once it breaks, in fact, till 2764, you have to be cautious. Beyond 2764, we are looking forward to a greater rise, and this could be the beginning of it where it can hit the highs. It can in fact aspire to achieve 2800 if it breaks past 2764 and 71 zone. This is something we have to watch out. Stochastic flat, MACD is still in green and it has still got room for further rise. RSI looking upwards. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 2756 levels. Expect it to get resistance very nearby at around 2760 levels till 2760. Be a bit cautious. And in fact, even if it breaks 2760, just watch out for 2764. Beyond 2764 is where major bullishness may prevail. We can look forward to 2771, 2782, and then 2800 levels. Yes, if it breaks out, we can look forward to a greater rise. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2746. Below 2746 is where you can expect it to move towards 2740 levels. Below 2740 is where we can look forward to a greater move on the downside, first towards 2735.5, then 2730. And if at any point of time 2730 is taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction. This time it will break towards 2715, 2700 levels as well. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to see silver on the hourly charts. You can see these two candles. You can find a double bottom here. With that as double bottom, we are looking forward to a rise, and thus if you see it is staying above 3430 levels, you can just stay bullish. It has to now break beyond 3430, beyond which you can expect a good rise which can take silver price towards 3460, or in fact higher levels are possible here. While on the downside, see what is happening here. Look at the formation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise. It could retrace towards 20 period, means till 3380 levels. You should not be treating this as bearish. Only below 3380 and specifically below 3360 you should consider silver as bearish, and below 3360 is the point where you can say now we are looking forward to a crash here. Stochastic overbought, MACD and RSI both are showing a bit of rise here. When you see the 2 hour on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see a flat base means a greater support, and this zone is going to remain critical again. 3380, 3360. You have to be cautious here. And see two greener candle. There is a possibility of a third green candle as well. But for this to happen, it has to break past by the critical resistance in between 3420, 3430. Beyond 3430 is where the bulls are waiting. See the moving averages have crossed over here. This is again a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, all are supportive here for the bulls here. Coming to 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts, a bit of consolidation is observed. Yes, it is exerting pressure on the bands to expand, and also if you look at the moving averages are now looking upwards and higher highs are seen. So I will say till 3380, 3360 zone is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bearish. This time a breakout is if it shows a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one, as it is trading at the extremes. It may put pressure on the bands to expand. See, it is narrowed here, and now this is on the verge of expansion. While at the same time breaking below 3360, we should not be thinking of the buys here. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. On the 4 hour charts and on the 4 hour charts also, the observation is more or less same. See, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. We have to now wait for it to break beyond 3420, 3430 zone, which should be ideal resistance zone for it to break beyond. And if it stays beyond 3420, 30 zone, we are looking forward to 3450, 60, and in fact 3480, $35 levels are also possible. Stochastic rising back to overbought. See, MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence, which suggests that there is a possibility of a continuation of the bullish momentum here. The RSI is flat. Coming to the day, see on the daily charts, the candle is turning green. If you divide this into two, you will find a symmetry here. And if this candle also replicates what has happened here, we can see a swing is possible. And where are the lows of the swing? We have to be cautious still towards 3360, below which we can expect it to move towards 3340, 3330 zone, and then we can see a closer at around 3380. So if it replicates, but right now I can see the movement is very much supportive of a further rise, and in fact we can expect it to break beyond 3430 levels, where it can move towards 3460 or 3480 levels, forming double top, or in fact breaking double top. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is in green, trying to trade with moderate bullishness, the RSI is rising. So looking at this, very simple. I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying. Now even if you see the lower price is above 3420, you can initiate a buying entry here. Be just a little cautious still towards 34.30. Beyond this, we can expect 34.55.60 as the first target, 34.80 at the next, and in fact, we can see a move above 35. While on the downside, a selling entry now I will recommend is at 33.80, where you have to remain extremely cautious till towards 33.60 levels. Once it breaks 33.60, stay short. We can look forward to 33.30, 33.20 levels as well. Below 33.30, 33.20 is where the bears are waiting, and we can look forward to a greater correction where the prices can in fact move towards 32.80, 32.50 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank